Welcome to Part 4 of Esri Canada's Address Manager instructional video series. In this session, we'll look at how to place addresses along an existing road or along a temporary line. To address along an existing road, select the tool and then select the road you want to address. The road will be highlighted and the road direction, address points, and the address parameters are displayed. In this case, we want to put the addresses on the opposite side of the road. We also want to reduce the distance from the center line, and we want to adjust the start and end points of our addresses. Once we have everything set, we select Generate, and the address points are generated. We now need to add the address numbers. We can use a start number. In this case, we're going to use 25 with a step increment of 4, and we apply that. We can then put the labels on. Once that's complete, you can then add in the postal code for all of the addresses. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, you then select Save. When address points are required but you have not yet received any other data such as parcels or road segments, you can add a georeference plan to your database and then use the Address Temporary Linear Feature tool to add those address points. We first start by placing a line through the parcels that need to be addressed. A line is drawn showing the direction of the line and the address points. We want the address points to be closer to the center of the parcel, and we also want to use a distance that equals the frontage of each of those parcels. Once that's complete, we select Generate and the points are placed. We now have to enter a road name body using the lookup in the master street index. In this case, since the road is not yet into the master street index, you have to put in a temporary road name. We'll show how to do that in a minute. We then have to add the temporary road name to all of the address points by using the Copy All Fields command. Next, we add in the address numbers. In this case, we're going to start with 1 with an increment or step of 2. We apply that. We can apply the labels and complete. You can also add in the postal code for all of those address points. Once you're finished, select Save, and your address points are in the system. To add a temporary street name into the Master Street Index, we select the Master Street Index tool and the Create New Entry. In the Create New Entry, we add in a new temporary road name and a road type suffix. In this case, we'll use alley. We then have to select the municipality. Once that's complete, we select Save. The temporary street name is now in the Master Street Index and available for any site address points. Up next is Part 5, creating new roads and emergency service boundaries.